Yeah, this is part 4. Yeah, remember this? Yeah. So, I remember the paper that I got. I got it. So we will need this. So when you do it like this, you hear tape, tape, tape. Yeah, tape, tape, tape. Tape, 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 tape. Until it's like this. It's kind of blurred up, so because I'm using the invisible one right now. Just make it stronger because I'm making mine stronger because mine's a little weak. When you have this fold again, but like a square. So when you have this, put it up like that. Yes, and now you just flatten it up. Yes. But use the top. We'll need the top. We don't need the top. But trust me. Trust me, we will cut some top off. Yeah, we're gonna cut. So when you have this cut, just like that, until you have like a mouth, like this. Yeah. Wait. Okay. So when you close it up and when you tape it up, you're almost done. Just take this, put. Wait, yeah, just putting. Tape it up, tape it up, tape it up. Come the outside.